It's Annika Unboxes, and today we're going to be opening Places, Please, Littles. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited to see what's inside. First, we have our superhero book. Next, we have our Places, Please, Littles booklet. Then we have our Places, Please, Littles superhero character sheets. Next, we have stickers to decorate and make a patch craft. Next, we have a sticker just like mine. Next, we have 2 masks. Then we have capes, a black one and a yellow one. And last but not least, popcorn for the show. Make sure to like and subscribe. Watch